The small-scale industries have a crucial role in a developing economy like India. They play a strategic role in the progress of the country. The traditional nature of this process is reflected in the diversities of these industries. Small and large-scale industries are two legs of the industrialization process of a country. Hence, small-scale industries are found in existence in every country. Small-scale industries have been given an important place in the framework of Indian planning since beginning, both for economic and ideological reasons. Let's start with understanding the term small-scale industry, which comprises of a variety of undertakings. The definition of small-scale industries vary from one country to another and from one time to another in the same country, depending upon pattern, stage of development, government policy, and administrative setup of a particular country. Now let's have a look at nature and characteristic of small scale industry. Management and control. A small scale unit is normally a one man show, and even in case of partnership the activities are mainly carried out by the active partner and rest are generally sleeping. These units are managed in a personalized fashion. The owner is actively involved in all the decisions concerning a business. Gestation period. Gestation period is that period after which teething problems are over and return on investment starts. Technology. A small industries are fairly labor intensive with comparatively smaller capital investment than a large unit. Therefore, these units are more suited for economies where capital is scarce and there is an abundant supply of labor. Flexibility. Small scale units as compared to large scale units are more change susceptible and highly reactive and are responsive to socio-economic conditions. They are more flexible to adapt changes like new method of production, introduction of new products, etc. Resources. Small scale units use local or indigenous resources and as such can be located anywhere subjected to availability of these resources like labor and raw materials. Area of operation. The area of operation of small scale unit is generally localized catering to local or regional demand. The overall resources at the disposal of small scale units are limited and as a result of this it is forced to continue its activity to the local level. Let us understand the relation between large scale industry and small scale industries. After going through the distinct characteristic of small scale industries, one should not assume that they cannot sustain in an economy. But fact is that one is complementary to each other. The relation between LSI and SSI varies in respect of following. Firstly, initiative. Attracted by a high profit of large units, small unit can also take initiative to produce the particular product. If succeed, the small unit grows to large over a period of time. In our country too, the electronic industry looks like following to its initiative pattern of development. Supplementary. Small industry can fill in gap between the large scale production and standard output caused by large scale units. This is due to supplementary role of small industries. Now, next is complementary. Apart from the supplementary relationship, small industries have been complementary to its large counterparts. In the real world, many small unit produces intermediate product for large unit. And industrialization proceeds, small firms seem naturally to shift from activities that compete with large firms to complementary ones. Small scale industry cannot compete with large industry in certain circumstances and in selected products, but they have comparatively advantage in some products. Example of such industries are bricks and tiles, fresh baked goods, and perishable edibles. Preserved foods, good requires small engineering skills, item demanding craftsman and artistry. Now, servicing. Small industry do also install servicing and repairing shop for the product of large units. Next is small scale industry sector, which plays a very important role in the growth of the country. It contributes almost 40% of the gross industrial value added in the Indian economy. Employment generation. The basic problem that is confronting the Indian economy is increasing pressure of population on the land and the need to create massive employment opportunities. This problem is solved to large extent by small scale industries because small scale industries are labor intensive in character. Equitable distribution of income. Small entrepreneurs stimulate a redistribution of wealth, income, and political power within societies in way that they are economically positive and without being politically disruptive. It provides opportunity for the development of technology. Small scale industries have tremendous capacity to generate or absorb innovations. They provide ample opportunity for the development of technology, and technology in return creates an environment conducive to the development of small units. It promotes exports. Small scale industries have registered a phenomenal growth in export over the years. It supports the growth of large industries. Small scale industries plays a very important role in assisting bigger industries and projects so that the planned activity of development work is timely attended. Better industrial relations. Better industrial relation between the employer and employees helps in increasing the efficiency of employees and reducing the frequency of industrial dispute. The loss of production and man days are comparatively less in small scale industries. There is hardly any strike and lockouts in these industries due to good employee employer relation. Manufacturing industries. The industries that are liable for producing articles for producing and direct consumption industries are called as manufacturing industries. Some popular examples of this category are power looms, khadi industries, engineering industries, processing industries, coin industries, etc. Ancillary industries. This industry is liable for producing small to bigger parts of every component that are used to render servicing in big industries. Service industries. The well-known sector is known for covering all light repair shops that are essential to maintain all type of mechanical equipments. This industry is also known for the complete dependency of machines.